Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Have a seat. Thank you, ma'am.
Miss Vanessa, can you tell me about yourself?
I'm a guidance counselor of UP Los Baños with 5 years of experience. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Psychology. Then I eventually returned for Master in Counseling. I find it incredibly rewarding to help students to navigate the college application process and find the right fit for them.
Upon checking your resume, why did you leave your last job?
I feel I already accomplished enough achievements at my previous school. Now, I want to challenge myself again in another university, and I believe PUP would be a great start. My work experience there is what pushed me to try new opportunities and step up with my career goals.
That was a great move. So, why do you want to work in this university?
Polytechnic University of the Philippines is a well-known and top choice to go to college of students. But aside from that recognition, I also want to make contributions to their holistic development and align their talents, skills, and passions to their potential. I've always been passionate about education and counseling. During my undergraduate years, I volunteered as a peer mentor, which exposed me to the impact of a counselor can have on students' own lives.
What can you bring to the university?
Apart from my educational background and experiences, I believe that my values are very much aligned with the core values that your school exposes. For me, that is important, especially as someone who represents the school and who will work with the students and their parents very closely.
What are your key strengths that make you an effective guidance counselor?
One of my key strengths is active listening. I ensure that students feel heard and understood, which builds trust. I also have strong problem-solving skills, allowing me to help students identify solutions to academic and personal challenges. Additionally, my ability to collaborate with faculty and staff ensures that students receive comprehensive support.
Describe a time when a student helped overcome a major challenges. What step did you take and what is the outcome?
I once worked with a student who was struggling academically due to personal difficulties at home. They were at risk of dropping out. At first, I listened to their concerns and connected them with campus resources, including financial and aid mental health supports. We then created a study plan and time management strategies, and over time, their grades improved, and they graduated successfully. This experience reinforced the importance of holistic approach to student support.
Universities are constantly evolving. So, how do you stay updated on counseling strategies and student needs?
I regularly attend professional development workshops and conferences on student counseling. I'm also a member of National Association for College Admission Counseling, which provides valuable insights into trends in higher education. Additionally, I collaborate with colleagues and participate in university initiatives to stay informed about student needs.
Thank you for sharing your experience and insight. Before we conclude, do you have any questions for us?
Yes, I'd love to know more about the students' population at PUP College and any specific challenges the counseling team is currently addressing.
That's a great question. So, PUP San Pedro have 6 courses offered for colleges, and any challenges so far are controllable and resolved by the school. I appreciate your time today. We will be in touch regarding to the next step. Have a great day.
Thank you, Mom. I appreciate the opportunity